At M&M Tree Service, we offer tree cutting and removal. One of the concerns of doing a tree removal by yourself or with your friends is safety. When removing a tree, you should always have your proper protective equipment. That is your hard hat, your safety pants, your gloves, your safety glasses. At M&M Tree Service, we protect ourselves. We protect your property, protect your structures, your fences, your sheds, your roofs. M&M Tree Service is a fully insured company. If you are not experienced in tree removal, call us at M&M Tree Service and we can come over and assess your tree and advise you which way we're going to cut down your tree safely and soundly.